That was good soda. Excuse me. Sorry, viewers. Sorry. Oh, hey, Blue. What are you doing? Oh, no, I'm just drinking my soda. Wait, why are you drinking 3? Because I was so thirsty that I haven't had anything besides water for the past 10 weeks. Yeah, whatever. So, yeah, I'm drinking these sodas. You know, you can't drink all these sodas. You can't drink a lot. Why? Because I've heard this once. Someone got the hiccups because of that. Okay, Tim. Sorry, Tim. Why do you believe in hiccups? They don't exist. They do exist. I remember someone getting the hiccups because of drinking a lot of soda. So yeah, you have to stop drinking that much soda. Nah, I'm good. Thanks. Okay, don't tell me I warned you. See you later. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. I think I might throw all the... That's odd. I never had this before. Why am I doing the sound? Tim! What is it, Blue? Did you want me to come and drink all the sodas for you? No, Oh my gosh, Blue! What the heck happened? I have the hiccups. The hiccups? Yes, you were right. I should not drink all the soda. You know, I have some rules on how you could get the hiccups gone. Oh, really? Yes, so, come with me. I got four easy ways, but there's 3 easies and 1 that may not work. So, let's start off with the 3 ones, but if that doesn't work, we're gonna have to use a special treatment. Oh, okay. Come with me. Okay. Okay, so step 1 is really easy. The first cure is easy. Just hold your breath. Do you think it'll work? I'm sure it will work. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. Only need 10 seconds. Okay, take it out. Let me see. Hey, that worked. The hiccups are gone. Yes, finally the hiccup. Gosh, dang it. Don't worry, there's another treatment. Do you think it'll work? Sure. Here's the second cure. Okay, here's the second treatment. Okay, what is it? You have to eat this mushroom. But that doesn't work. This is my cures of the hiccups. I had the hiccups once and this always works. And the special treatment works a lot as well. Okay, I'll take the mushroom. Okay, eat it well. Hey, that mushroom actually worked. My hiccups are now gone. Yes, finally. Now you could stop drinking. Gosh, this isn't working. Well, here's the last treatment. So, come with me again. Okay. Okay, this is the next treatment. All you need to do is drink this bottle of water. Okay, I've drank water a lot. Okay, drink it. Okay. Drink it wisely. Oh my my gosh, the water worked. Thank you, Tim. You're welcome. I knew the treatment would come in handy. Oh my gosh. The last treatment was finished and now you still have the hiccups. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't work. You know, 3 easy ones are now done. You know, it's time for the special treatment. And what might the special treatment might be? Okay, don't worry. I have the solution. Okay, make it quick. La 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 la. Oh, Spongebob, you're here. Hey Tim, what is it? I need your help. Okay, what might the help be? I will give you $5 unless you cure Blue's hiccups. Ooh, $5? Okay, I'll cure Blue's hiccups. That doesn't solve the problem. What are you talking about? He has a hiccup, so there's a special treatment. You have to scare him. Oh, I can do that. Okay, because he can't get... his hiccups are not going away. Okay, so... can you do it for me? Sure, why not? Okay, go over there and scare him. Okay. Where's Tim? Okay, let's go over there now. Okay, try to scare him. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't think Tim is coming back. Oh my gosh! SpongeBob, don't scare me like that! Sorry, I had to cure your hiccups. Oh my gosh! SpongeBob, you cured my hiccups! Haha, I knew scaring was a charm! Beat that! Oh, you did this? Yep, that was a special treatment. Okay, thank you, SpongeBob and Tim. Okay, I think I'm just going to drink 1 soda, like, per week. Yeah, that could be okay, but I should never drink soda every day. Yep, don't drink soda every day. Okay, see you. I'm so glad Blue's hiccups are now gone. Sure, but you owe me those $5 tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so it looks like Blue's now done with his hiccups. I think I might take some of his soda. That soda was... Oh my gosh! What happened, Tim? I got the hiccups. Oh my gosh, not again. Well, it looks like we're going to have to try the special treatment. Not the special treatment.